Hello everyone, welcome back to Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. In my first video, I've received a camera from the GardePro company to make trail cameras, and I've introduced it a bit. Now I'm going to set up the solar panel. As you see in the introduction, I've charged up the solar panel. My husband has made me a little something where I could set it up easily. Put it on a piece of wood, and I will get this set up because I'm anxious to get this camera back out here working. I'm close to home. Generally speaking, when I'm close, I would not need a solar panel, but I would definitely like to try it out. And eventually I will get into the bush, but all depends with the snow coming down. I know that my ATV, I can't get out there if there's too much snow. Now it is excessive to get out there, but I'll see. I'll get this going. There is a rabbit in this area. I see his tracks. So I'm going to try and capture him on my GardePro camera. Now I will plug in the solar panel into the camera. Just want to make sure that the wire isn't in the way. Get it just a bit. Okay, I just came back in from setting up my camera with the solar panel. I'm gonna go into my GardePro. Go to cameras, online, and you see what I see here? I noticed external power charging. That is the solar panel. Live. I'm going to take a look. Now I know where the tap button is. Wow. The image. Wow. I love this. I will enjoy this camera. The X60 Pro Live Max. I am very happy with my choice. And I thank you to the GardePro company for finding me and asking me if I wanted to try out your cameras. I am very happy and pleased. Good morning, everyone. It's a week. I have my GardePro X60 Pro Live Max out, and with the solar panel, and I have not yet captured any wildlife. So now I'm changing places. We had a snowstorm, 2 days of snow, and it's sort of stopped the movement of the wildlife. The bush back there is not easy to have access, so I'm going to get it set up here in my yard, because I do have a bit of wildlife, rabbit I'm trying to capture, and we'll see what goes. There's some tracks here. I don't know, rabbit, cat. Anyways, I'm going to install the camera here and see what happens. I'm anxious to get my video finished to promote this wonderful camera that I have in my hands. I'm anxious. I like it very much. I'm just waiting to get some video. And by the way, my solar panel is the model SP350. So I will get back to you all. I found a place to install my GardePro camera. I'll just hope I can see what's going to come out of there. It could be the squirrel. I brought my camera inside now because I do have some footage. And what I like about this is I'm presently charging my battery. It's not there. And I want to see what's on my SD card. I'm going to plug it in. Put it on. And you see, without the battery, I can still get the information on my card. It's great. I'm going to go check out my footage. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video installing the solar panel. And I had to change place because I wasn't getting any action. But I did find a squirrel. I didn't get my rabbit. And if you are interested in purchasing a GardePro camera, please check out my link below in the description. And you will get 15% off on a camera and or accessories. I do get a commission, but it does not affect your price. The promotion code is SUZANNE. I will also leave it in the link. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. And until next time, you all there, you have a great day. You all take care. Bye-bye.